Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we will cut and sew this beautiful bow top and ruffle shorts for a 5 to 7 year old toddler. It is super easy to make and beginner friendly. If you are interested in learning how to make this, then keep watching.
We'll be drafting the top first. I folded fabric into two, so I'm going to fold again. This is for the front and the back. Okay, here I have 8 inches. This is the front and this is the back. For the back, I have 2 inches SS for button plackets. You can put button, you can put zipper, you can put anything you want to use at the back. For the top length, I am using 13 inches. This is for both stitching and hemming. For the shoulder, I will use 4.5. For the armhole, I will use 5 inches. Chest divided by 4 is 6.5. Then I add half inch for ease to make it free. Then I add 1 inch for sewing allowance. Okay. Alright, so I'll just take it down. For off shoulder, I will use 3. Okay. Neck depth, I will use 3. So I'll just curve this out. The length I'll be using for the short is 13 inches, okay? So I have 2 inches folding allowance, 13 inches for the short length. This is minus band. It's going to be having 1 inch band, making the whole short to be 14 inches length. Okay, so this is the length of the short. Now this one is hemming allowance. Alright, so from here I will measure her waist divided by 4, 7 inches. Okay, so instead of 7, I'll use 10 inches. Okay, her waist divided by 4 plus extra 3 inches. Okay, now I'll measure the crotch depth. For the crotch depth, I'll be using 9 inches. I'll extend the crotch by 1.75. I'll just curve like this. The short length, I will use 10. So these are for the side frill. 6 pieces of this piece of fabric that I cut right here. 6 pieces of them because I'll be having 3 on one side and 3 on the other side. And I have cut their length at 34 inches. Their length at 34 inches and the width is 5 inches. Okay, let's go to the sewing machine.
Turn strap out with a pin.
Thank you. Stitch together with the elastic.